Welcome back to my Yum's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious Ewedu, making use of two different vegetables. This recipe is not my original recipe, but I did try it and it worked, and I thought to share with you. To make this Ewedu, we're going to be making use of two different vegetables. We're going to be combining okra and spinach. If you don't already know, Ewedu soup is common amongst the beautiful Yoruba people of Nigeria, and it is generally served or usually served with amala or Abula. So this is a very popular soup, and because it is not readily available in the diaspora, somebody has come up with this idea and it worked beautifully. So make sure to follow these steps, and it is super easy to make. You're going to start by washing your vegetables very well. That includes your okra and your spinach. Make sure you wash everything very well. If you have to pick your spinach like I did earlier, please do so. Next, you're going to go ahead to slice your okra. You're going to slice the tip of the okra and the end of it off. Please do not cook that or blend that with your vegetables because they're going to be woody. Make sure to trim the ends of your okra like I've done here. So you're going to cut the end off, and then you're going to slice the remaining part of the okra and you're going to place it in the blender. Repeat the process until you have sliced all your okra. I'm doing this because I need my blender to be able to blend this easily. So if you have a heavy duty blender, maybe you do not need to slice it in pieces like I've done so. But it's always advisable if your blender is not the heavy duty one. Next, you're going to slice your spinach also. You just roughly chop everything like I've done here, and you're going to place it in the blender together with the okra. I also added some green chilies. That is totally optional. You do not have to. Next, I went ahead to blend everything together like this. I did not totally blend it to be fine, but I'm going to show you what the consistency that you're looking for should be. So this is what it looks like after blending everything together. If you've watched this video up to this point, thank you so very much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this recipe. And please do remember to check the description box for the full list of ingredients. Everything, the measurement that you need is already there. Next, you're going to transfer your Ewedu into a cooking pot on medium heat, and you're going to continue to stir it around like this. Please do not cover it and keep an eye on your pan because this could easily boil over. And after boiling it for some time, maybe for about 5 minutes, you will notice that it is easier to stir this. It is not as thick as it was initially. And at that point, you're going to begin to season your Ewedu. You're going to add some locust beans if you have that at home. Locust beans, also known as Iro, are fermented beans, and they are very good for your gut health, and the flavor that it does add to this Ewedu soup is also very important. So you're going to add that in. Next, you're going to be coming in with some crayfish if you have that as well. At this point, your Ewedu is ready, and you can go ahead to serve it with your amala. And if you have gbegiri also, you can easily mix it together and it will become Abula. Do watch out for my next video on gbegiri. I will be sharing a recipe of how to make gbegiri as well. And there you have it. Our Ewedu soup is ready. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I do hope you give this a try. See you in the next one. Bye bye.